Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to Hendrickson Ridge. It's July 15th, probably 6:30 in the morning, maybe 6:45 by now, but today's project is going to be replacing my old DVR security system with the new Reolink 16 camera. I have my old system got struck by lightning, and 5 out of the 7 cameras quit working. So I kind of have a advantage a little bit because all the wire, it's going to be hardwired and all the wires are already ran. So this new system is just Ethernet cables, which comes with this Reolink system. So yeah, you got the DVR. Got 16 ports, which it comes with 8 cameras, so I'm going to use 8 cameras. I'll show you the old system. It's quite a mess in there, but this should be a big improvement. And stick around. We'll do step by step today. We're in my computer room, and this is the system I'll be replacing right here. Right, I have the monitor. All these cables go up through into the attic. Everything got plugged in before. You know, solid built, one type adjustment, just one little finger tightened bolt here to adjust the angles. Got 3 screw holes, which my other cameras had also. Very easy plug and play type deal. We'll put that together, but it comes with the Ethernet cable with the connections, waterproof connection for outside, and DVR connection on the other side. So take out camera number 3. Look. Looks. It sucks. Basically, the attic's not finished. Oh. All right, let's get these 2 cameras down. Let's see. That hole, but not that hole. I might have to clean that hole out a little bit. So, do that next. This cable line. This cable line's in the way all the time. So I'm gonna zip tie this back here. All right, I'll leave the ladder, the big ladder here. Oh boy. Yeah. All this crap is gonna come out. one. Can't get this one tangled up because can't get this one tangled up. So yeah, I got 2 more cameras to put up. 3 actually. A couple cables that I had to order. But just walking through the attic, which has no floor, and that happened. Yeah. Fabulous. Just keeps getting better. We'll keep motoring on. Alright guys, so it's the next day, July 16th. Had a heck of a day yesterday putting these cameras in. I had to run new cables. And I was up and down the attic, which is 12-foot steps, hot. Obviously I fell through. I did fix that hole temporarily, but we'll go over the whole system real quick and how many cameras I got out here, and then we'll go inside and I'll go over the Reolink screen and stuff. So far I like it. I like the quality, but you know, time will tell. So, and no, I'm not sponsored by them. I just like their cameras, so I tried it. So anyway, we'll start with the garage. All right, I got put the ladder back up. But anyway, I got a camera up there in the corner of the garage, facing the garage. And the wire that's going outside there is the one for the front porch. I'll show you that one. I have one coming out of the attic here. And that feeds outside. That's for the deck out here. So that camera. There's the deck, and I have 2 up there. One faces the shed. See if I can get a better look. One faces the shed, and one faces the driveway. Whoops. The driveway down here. And then one faces the carport and the shed over there. Alright, come around to the front. I have one up here in this corner facing the front porch. Right here, front door. Alright, I have another one up here on the soffit, pretty much facing the front yard here. Alright, and then I put a new one up because there's 8 in the system, and I put the new one up over here on the side. Because a lot of animals cut through here at night. Had some coyotes through here, so just wanted to monitor it. Have this camera right here on the soffit. Pretty much facing the bird feeder and the backyard here. So yeah, we'll go inside and show you a little bit about the system itself and how it works, in case you ever wanted to get one. I like it so far. It's way easier than my old system, and the lightning blew out 5 out of my 7 cameras. So I pretty much had to do this project to replace them. So, but yeah, being 95 degrees and humid every day here is not helping anything. So let's go in and we'll go over the system real quick. So I temporarily patched the hole where my leg came through yesterday. I'm gonna get somebody to sheetrock this entire hallway. I've slowly redo some of these ceilings. Anyway, here's the computer room and the Reolink. I have the cables coming out of the attic right here to a 4 terabyte hard drive right here. Alright, and this is the monitor, and it's got a mouse, and so you can right click and see your event history, settings, many different ways to set this system up. But let's just say for the front yard, and we open it up, you can right click, you can get the events and watch any one of the events for any one of the cameras. Alright, just exit out of here, and then when you right click, it goes back to the last screen sometimes, but I keep it on 9 cameras because I have 8 and it kind of fits the screen best. Yeah, the quality's really good, and so far I like them. It's a bit of a workout to run all the cameras and cables. Even though I had the system in, I had to change all the cables because it's all Ethernet cables. The Ethernet cables are approximately 100 feet each. I did have to buy a couple, I say 3 cables to reach the other end of the house, 125 feet, because it's a long rancher. But yeah, other than that, I like it so far. We'll see how it holds up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.